Hi beautiful, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to the channel. I got your request on this video, makeup for texture skin, and trust me to always deliver. Welcome to the channel. Do make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and we're getting straight into this video. For skin prep, what I did was moisturize. I cleansed, I moisturized, I added the Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum, I applied the Blossom makeup moisturizer and the Adventure primer. These were the only steps that I used to apply foundation. Use the CTMP method, okay? Now for foundation, you want to make sure that less is more. I went in with the Blossom foundation and a mixture of the Adventure foundation. Now those foundations are not full coverage, okay? So less is more. I still want the skin to be so breathable, very well. Yes, I want to enhance the face and make it look presentable, but I'm not trying to do any magic trick whatsoever, okay? So less is more. Apply in sections and work your way into it. And as you can see, the skin is looking put together. It is textured. There's nothing you can do about it, and not even makeup is going to remove it in one go, okay? So I don't want you beating up yourself. So this is just how I work with texture skin. I just make sure I apply in sections, and I went in with a brush first just to gain a little bit of coverage because I can't cover up everything, but then I can still make it look presentable. So I went in with a brush first to apply the foundation, just so that the foundation can, build up a little bit of coverage. Then I went in with my Vicabel beauty sponge to blend. So as you can see, it's a lot better. It's a lot different from how we started. And I had to zoom you in so that you can see what we're working with, okay? So less is more. Do your normal skin prep. This is how you apply makeup for texture skin, honestly, okay? So because I did the difference between baking and setting, we're not going to really go into the concealer and setting and all of that. We're just going to focus on the eyeshadow, the finishing and the foundation, okay? If you want to see how I set the entire face, please see the difference between setting and baking video after this one. So I'm just going to let you watch the eyeshadow technique and I'll be back.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah.
Oh, that is that for the eyes. As you can see, it's beautiful. Now for the brows, I'm going in with the Davis eyebrow pencil to do. This is my easy brow technique, honestly. This is if I want to be like, oh, I don't want to do too much on my brows. This is my brow technique. It's very simple and it's very easy. So that is what I'm going to be doing. So for the glitter glue that I use, it is by Miss Rose, okay? Miss Rose glitter glue. For the glitters, they have no name on it. It's a normal glitter that I just I just got, okay? So it doesn't have a name. So this is basically how I work my brows. Now for concealer, I used the Adventure concealer and the Younger Beauty flat verge brush. I'm just going to use that to conceal the eyebrows, and that was be it. I don't know if you can zoom in. I'm really bringing you in close to see how the skin looks. It's not, there's no smoothing on it, there's no nothing. This is how the skin will look like. Okay, so ignore all those filter you are seeing and you're beating up yourself. Do skincare and your skin will get better. But for makeup, ignore all those lies they're telling us. I'm telling you. So I used the Blossom gel liner in black to line the waterline, and I used the Impact mascara to coat the lashes very well. Now the lashes I use is by Vowan Beauty. Okay, now for this lip tutorial I just decided to leave it here because I later changed it, and I'm glad I changed the lip. But this is how I achieved this first lip color you saw. I went in with a pink, then a red in the inner corner, then I used my brow pencil to line the outer line. So I couldn't keep all the clip here because I lost a bit of footage on it. So, but you will see the other lip you'll see the other lip that I did. It's actually very, very amazing. So this is me popping the lashes, and I'm showing you from different angles. Can you see her texture still showing? So I just had to bring it like up close for you so you can see. And I'm showing you here again. See her texture. I have to use another camera to like get it up close. Okay, so ignore those filter. So I'm just spraying down the face. Make sure to spray down the face generously. Okay, you want to lock everything in, and I'm going to make sure I dry it down. And after I'm drying it down, just from some extra glue, I went in with this cheek glaze. Okay, so I want to go in with a little bit of it. Okay, go in just a tad bit. If you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash the subscribe button and ask your questions down in the comment section. So this is what we're working with. Absolutely beautiful, skinny. It is breathable. You're not seeing all of that. So this is the lip we settled for. Can you see the skin? I didn't put any magic here. I just enhanced her beauty. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Until the next video, make sure to subscribe, and remember that this is what skin looks like, and texture skin can rock makeup. Until the next video, make sure to stay beautiful. Bye bye.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go.